here's KATC meteorologist Daniel Phillips.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, we've got a quiet night coming up tonight, but we do have more showers on the way for tomorrow. We've got a lot of wet weather on the way. In fact, we've still got the flash flood watch that's going to be in effect. We're going to talk about all that coming up here in just a bit. Let's get through the satellite and radar picture now. This is what we've got going on out there here this morning. Showers out over towards our west, and they are working their way eastwards. Running into a little bit of dry air here, believe it or not, kind of losing steam as they get into Louisiana. Now, we may see one or two kind of showers work their way across the region. We may see a little bit of that early tomorrow morning. But for the most part, everything kind of holds off until the afternoon. And I think it's right around the middle of the day when things start to pick up and then progresses on through into the evening. Once again, we're watching out for the possibility of some severe weather. You've got a marginal risk of some severe weather. So if you think about scale of 1 to 5, we're at about a 1, but we've seen some pretty strong storms pop up even with the marginal risk. And what we're seeing is almost all of us are going to see showers, thunderstorms tomorrow. And out of all of those thunderstorms, a couple of them are going to be severe, and they'll be able to produce hail and damaging winds. I think that that's going to be our big issue tomorrow. Similar to the last couple of days, I don't think that tornadoes are going to be much of an issue. Still, though, we've seen fairly decent-sized hail out there the last couple of days, and we've seen some pretty strong winds as well. Now, everyone probably very, very curious as to why everything has stayed this way. What's happened is that the whole atmosphere has kind of gotten clogged up here. You've got two lows, one to the east of a high pressure ridge and one to the west. Now, this always sets up, and it means that nothing can really move anywhere. Everything blocks itself in. But what's going to happen tomorrow is this low is slowly going to eat away at this high. This high is then going to break down. The low's finally going to be able to move, and everything will start to move again the way that it usually does. You know, you get systems come in and then leave. The problem is, though, that as that low does make its way through, it sparks another round of showers. There's going to be a warm front out there tomorrow, and we're going to have to wait and see where that warm front sets up, because wherever that boundary is, that's where you're going to see those showers tomorrow. So models kind of slowing things down a little bit for tomorrow as well. We'll see how this ends up happening. I still think it's about midday we start to see those showers develop. Again, they're going to ride right along the boundary, and I think that frontal boundary is going to sit somewhere between about Rapides Parish, let's call it northern Rapides Parish, and down through the I-10 corridor. And right in there somewhere there's going to be a band of really heavy rainfall. Another couple inches worth of rain that gets added to an already pretty saturated ground. And that's why we've got the flash flood watch. You can see those showers continue to roll through more or less the same area over and over throughout the afternoon tomorrow. I think we start to look a little bit better on Saturday, maybe some showers out there early Saturday morning, and then from there looking a little bit better. I think we keep a lot of those clouds. It's still going to be on the drearier side for Saturday, but the active rainfall will be coming to an end. Now, when it comes to rain totals, there's going to be a small area in Acadiana that receives about 2 to 4 inches. And again, it's going to be right along wherever that frontal boundary is. I would say the best location for that, or the best possibility, is going to be somewhere between Rapides and the I-10 corridor. For tonight, we get down to about 63 degrees. We've got mostly cloudy skies. We're getting a nice break from the rain. That should last through the morning, with showers and thunderstorms arriving in the afternoon. 72 for the low tonight. And as we make our way through the remainder of this week and into the weekend, we stay pretty gray. Sunshine breaks through Sunday. Really pretty looking weather coming up for most of next week. 10:15 right now. We're back right after this.